Hi guys, welcome again to another edition of your everyday software tips and tricks. Today, I'll be showing you how to create email signatures in Microsoft Outlook. Now, what are email signatures? So as you can see on your screen, this is a sample email, and you can see that right after the message, I have my picture, my name, and then there are other useful details in there as well. Now this is a great way to market yourself as a professional. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own email signatures for your emails to look good and for them to look very professional. So to create a new email, you come here to new email. Now there's no email signature here, so you go to signature at the far right top corner, go to signatures, and then a dialog box will appear. So this is where we can create a new email signature. So you come to the left top box in here where it says new, click on new. Give your email signature any name that you want. In my case, I'll call mine awesome signature. It's going to be awesome. And now in the text box below, this is where we can create or put in the details that we want in our email signature. So I have put in here my name, my company name, my telephone, a dummy telephone number, and then a link to my website. So in order to make this link clickable, just select the whole website text, come to the web link icon in here, and this is where you can put in the address of your website or your URL. Once you are done with that, just click on OK. So we've created our first email signature. Now we are not done yet. You need to assign this email signature to a particular email account. So maybe you have multiple email accounts in your Outlook. Whenever you create an email signature, you need to assign it to a particular email account. So in my case, I'm assigning it to the first one, my Hotmail account. Now I want my email signatures to appear anytime I'm sending a new email in my Hotmail account. So just click on the drop down section and say, when sending any new emails, use awesome signature. When replying or forwarding emails to, you can decide to use the same signature, but in my case, I'll just keep the option as none. So once I'm okay with this, I just need to click OK. So as you can see, we still can't see the new email signature we created. So to see our new email signature, you need to close this new email window. Now remember, we created this new email signature for my Hotmail account, and then you click on new email. So as you can see, the new email we just created is now showing. So whenever we are sending a new email in my Hotmail account, the email signature will pop up, and then we can add our email message, and then our email signature will be at the bottom section. So the next step is how to add an image to your email signature. So how do you go about this? So let's go to new email. So we already have the first email signature we created. We are going to make changes and add an image to this. So to add an image, first of all, I need to go to insert. I'm going to insert a table in here with 2 columns and then 1 row. Then you open it up in here like this. Now let's just copy what we have here, Control X, and paste it in the second cell. So this is where we are going to have our image. So to put in our image, we go to insert again, go to pictures, navigate to where we have our image. So I have an image of me here. Let's select it, and as you can see, the image is very big. So what we'll do is we'll just resize it click the bounding boxes and resize it to the appropriate size, and then we'll drag the table for the text to get closer to the image. You don't want the bounding boxes of the table or the borders around the table, so you can click on the table, come to table design, and then click on no, this drop down and say no borders. So once we have removed all the borders around the table, all you need to do is select the whole thing, click on Ctrl X, and now you come to signatures, come to signature again, and then we want to replace what we've done with what we have here already. So just click on this and right click in the box and say merge formatting. So replace what we have here with the new one we just created. So once you're happy with what you have in here, you just need to click on OK, close the new email window, come to new email again, and when you click on new email, your new email signature will now appear. So whenever you are sending a new email, this will be nicely placed at the bottom of the email for you. Now, up until this point, I've showed you how to manually create your own email signatures. There's an easier way. The easier way is to get a template and edit it to your preference. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below to this website where you can get templates of email signatures that you can use. So once you are here, you can download this template. I've already downloaded them, so I'll not download it again. I can go ahead and download it, and once you've downloaded them, this is how it looks like. So it's actually a Word document with different email signatures that you can use. So whichever one you decide to use is up to you. So you have different designs, different layouts of email signatures in here that you can choose from and then edit to your preference. So whichever template you decide to go with, just click on any of them. Let's just say signature 1. Make sure the whole thing is selected. You can click on copy and then come over to Outlook. Once you are here in Outlook, you can go to signatures, and with what we've done here, we can decide to delete all of this. You can decide to delete what we have here and then replace it with this. And from here, you can actually edit. So with the social media icons in here, once you click on them, you can actually click any of them, come to the web link address over here, and then assign a URL to each of them, which will link people to your social media pages. So this is how you create email signatures in Outlook. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for even more computer software tips and tricks, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified of any new video that I'll be uploading very soon. Thank you very much once again for watching, and stay strong and stay safe.